Okay, boys and girls, we're going to read Adventures with Words, and that's going to prepare us for our quiz we're having today. Adventures with Words. So first off, let's look on page 148. So let's talk about poetry. That is our genre, or the type of text we're reading today, and that is poetry. Now let's look. What does poetry use? Poetry uses sounds and rhythms of words to show images and to express feelings. And poetry uses, and well, let's continue here. It says poems are often written in paragraphs called stanzas. So that's what poetry uses. Poetry uses stanzas. Poems include sound effects such as rhyme, rhythm, and meter. Poems include word sounds such as alliteration. As a matter of fact, today we are going to do alliteration, so you're going to learn all about alliteration today. And they also use onomatopoeia, which we've already learned about and studied, and repetition to emphasize particular words or ideas. And the speaker in a poem reflects on a particular topic. So poems have a particular topic that they're discussing. So poetry uses the sounds and rhythms of words to show images and express feelings. So sounds and rhythms of words. That's very important to a poem. Remember yesterday, what were we discussing? What did we learn about? We learned about rhyme scheme. So that's something that's important in poems, can be important in poems. So that has to do with that as well. The sounds and rhythms of words, because rhyme will provide rhythm to a poem. So sounds and rhythms, okay? So somebody tell me again, what are paragraphs in poems called? What are paragraphs in poems called? What are they called? Juliana?
Onomatopoeias.
No, the paragraph in a poem. What are they called? Yes?
Poetry.
No. Yanni?
Stanzas.
Stanzas. Everybody say that word stanza.
Stanzas.
Say it 3 times.
Stanzas.
That's very good. That is the paragraph in a poem. It is the stanza. A paragraph in a poem is a stanza. So each time in a poem you see a paragraph, it isn't a paragraph, it's called a stanza. Okay? Now, boys and girls, let's look at our poems and adventures with words, and we're going to start with I Like You. I'm going to close this up, and we're going to listen to it.
I like you. That smile on your face is like a simile. I don't know how it got there, but it looks just right. It says, you know I don't like the same shade of blue as you, but I'll agree with you anyway, because friends are like that. Like a simile, your smile is nearly the same as mine, but not quite, which is exactly how I like it. From Cricket Magazine, by Casey Hermanson, illustrated by Susan Farrington.
So can somebody tell me, what is a smile compared to in this poem? What do they compare a smile to? Logan?
Your face.
Is that what she's comparing a smile to? Alisa?
A simile.
A simile. They're comparing a smile to a simile. A smile is compared to a simile. And can somebody tell me, what are wishes? I mean, what are desires? What are desires? What are desires? Avery?
So a desire is something that people dream of and they want to come true.
Yes, it's something you dream of, that you want to come true. So if we were going to say, have a synonym for the word desire, what would be a good synonym for that word? Olive?
Desire, wish.
Wish, that'd be a good synonym for desires. What's another synonym for desire? Juliana?
Dream.
Dream, yes, Those are good synonyms for desires. Oh, I see something going on here. I don't know. Let's fix that. Okay. On our iPad. Now, let's look at our next poem.
Top Secret. From Books Speak, Poems About Books, by Laura Purdy Salas, illustrated by Jose Bisayon. Describe your desires, and they become mine. I'm a treasure box where feelings can shine. All thinkers need pages where dreams can take flight. Reveal all your secrets, one entry per night. Desires. Your desires are your wishes for certain things to happen. Entry. If you write an entry, you write a short note in a diary or a book.
Okay, so boys and girls, let me ask you this. What sort of entry are they talking about in Top Secret? What type of entry is that? What is an entry? Jensen?
Like a paragraph or writing.
Is it a paragraph? Okay. What is the definition of an entry?
Me?
Ivy?
If you write an entry, you write a short note in a diary or a book.
Okay, so are they talking about a paragraph? So what are they talking about?
They're talking about like if you have a diary, you can write in it, and that's an entry.
Yeah, they're probably writing about making a short note into a diary. That's probably what they're talking about. And in Top Secret, what happens when thinkers write? What happens when thinkers write? Look in the poem. Thomas, what happens when thinkers write in Top Secret?
They describe all their desires.
What does it say in the poem? When thinkers write,
They need pages to write.
they need pages to write. What else can happen? Avery?
Or dreams can take flight.
Dreams can take flight. Dreams can take flight. That's what it says in the poem. Dreams can take flight. Very good. Let's go to our next poem. In the Land of Words.
In the Land of Words, by Eloise Greenfield, illustrated by Jan Spivey Gilchrist. In the Land of Words. In the land of words, I stand as still as a tree and let the words rain down on me. Come, rain, bring your knowledge and your music. Sing while I grow green and full. I'll stand as still as a tree and let your blessings fall on me.
Now, how does the author stand in the Land of Words? How does the author stand? Teddy?
As still as a tree.
As still as a tree. As still as a tree. And what rains down in the Land of Words? What rains down? What rains down? Mikey, what rains down in the Land of Words?
Words.
Words rain down. Very good, very good. Words rain down.
Jokes. Every day we get together to see who can tell the funniest joke. We don't even have to vote. It's always Crystal who wins. The words come flying out of her mouth, straight to the center of our funny bones, tickling us into losing the game and loving it.
Okay.
Riddles. The ones I like the most are the ones that make you think and think while everybody waits, hoping you'll give up. Give up? Not me. I'll get it. You'll see.
Now, what kind of riddles does the author like best? What kind of riddles does the author like best? Kelsey?
The ones that make you think and
Nope.
think.
The ones that make you think and think. And why do you think the author of In the Land of Words says, I grow? She says, I grow. In the Land of Words. Why does she say, I grow? do you think she means by that, I grow? Teddy?
The words renounce her brain that make her grow.
Yeah, they make her grow in what way? She does what?
Smarter.
They make her smarter. They help her do what? They help her learn, right? So they make her smarter. In the Land of Words, the author mentions that thirst. What do you think the thirst is for? What do you think the thirst is for? Yanni?
The word.
The words? Yeah. What do you think it's for? Avery?
I think it's for like to help the people that are reading the poems like understand more of the poems about.
What?
Like the people that like read the poem, it helps them like understand what the words mean down.
Is that what you think she's thirsting for, the author? What is the author thirsting for? You have to think, what is the author mentions a thirst? Okay. Ivy?
Words.
Words, okay. And, okay. I think we're ready for our, oh, do you have an idea?
Yeah.
What?
There's another page. Well, yeah.
Oh, there's another poem?
Yeah. Yeah, there's.
Oh, I forgot, I go to the Land of Words. Oh, here's where I grow. I thought it was on that poem, I forgot.
I go to the land. I go to the land of words, for I am at home there and never leave for long. My thirst pushes me through the open door. The more I drink of the falling water, the more I know. I drink, I think, I grow.
Okay, so that's where they say they grow. I was looking at another page where there was some growing. So what do you think they mean by that, they grow? Yes, Juliana?
They grow with knowledge.
They grow in knowledge. Yes. What do you think, Avery?
It says my thirst pushes me through the open door.
Pushes me through the open door. What do you think that means? Pushes me through the open door. What door is that?
Like going outside.
Going outside? That makes you think, doesn't it? You're thinking, well, what door is that? What open door? Teddy?
The door to the land of words.
The door to the land of words. Interesting. That's a good thought, Teddy. Kelsey?
The door to knowledge.
The door to knowledge. Oh, that's interesting. I like that thought as well. Yes.
Maybe the door to school.
Maybe the door to school. Oh, that's a cool thought. I like that. You're very deep in your thoughts of the poem. There's a lot you could think about with the poems, right, boys and girls? There's a lot going on. Poems have a lot of layers to them. Well, you think when you read them the first time, and then you read them again and again, you can read deeper and deeper into them and get more and more out of them each time you read them. More thoughts and more thoughts occur to you. More and more thoughts occur to you. Okay, so I think we're ready to take our little test here. I don't think it should be too hard. We discussed all the answers, you know. Yes,
How many pages are there?
just one like that,
Oh.
just like the ones we always say, up front and back. Just 12 questions.
Not bad.